When the machine arrives, unpack the machine. Firstly, take out the key from the top of the machine. Insert the key into the corresponding hole. Turn the key to the left, and then turn right. Then turn the lock head to the left to rotate. The door can be opened after several spins. After opening, take out the light box and materials. Check if the sugar bag are damaged or the paper stick is bent. Then find the black tool bag in the upper left corner of the machine. Find needle nose pliers inside. First, remove the key from the power cord. Then cut the straps of the manipulator. Slowly level the manipulator. Take out the Phillips screwdriver from the tool bag. Then come to the back of the machine. Open the cabinet door with the conical key. Use Phillips screwdriver to check the cabinet cable. If any looseness is found, just screw it. Next, go back to the front. Cut the straps of the antennas. And put them on top. Put the antenna through the hole into machine, then attach them to the back of the screen. Note that the domestic version has 3 antennas. The foreign version generally only has 1 antenna. Then unpack the top light box and put the light box on the top of the machine. Then insert the light box wire into the hole. Then align the light box with the screw hole of the machine. Take out the screws and washers from the spare parts box. 1 screw with 1 washer. After putting it into the light box hole, use Phillips screwdriver to tighten it. Tighten all 6 screws at the front and rear. Go to the back of machine. Find the cone key to open the door. Then find the power cord labeled light box power and connect it to the light box on the top of the machine. Pay attention to verify the specific voltage of the light box. If you don't know the light box voltage, please contact marketing manager. After connecting, check if it is loose. Next, find the phase detector. Plug it into the socket that is going to power the machine. There must be qualified ground in socket used by the machine. If there is no ground, it is not allowed to power on the machine. Normally, the middle and right are red lights. After passing the test, the machine can be used normally. Then take out the paper stick from stick packaging and put it into the stick module. Be careful to put it in evenly. When adding sticks can only be added to triangle positions. At most, do not fill up the paper stick. It's filled, it may cause the stick to get stuck, and make sure that all paper sticks must be flat. Then open the little door where the sugar box is. Unscrew all 4 candy box lids. Then find the sugar funnel in the tool bag. Note that sugar must be added according to the bottom label color. Label colors from left to right are white, red, yellow, and deep blue. Remember not to add wrong colors. Add a packet of sugar. To test the first time adding sugar, make candy flour to check if sugar comes out normally. Later, just fill up the candy box with all the colors. Next, screw the candy box lid. Be sure to tighten the lid of the candy box. Ensure that there is no air leakage. If leak, the sugar will not be came out when making. After tightening, shake all sugar boxes vigorously. Then go to the clean water bucket and remove the clean water bucket cover. Be sure to use pure water, otherwise the burner will be blocked and unhumidified due to water. In this case, we will not guarantee the stove. The consequence is the need to buy a new stove. Next, fill the bucket with pure water. Be sure to insert the water pump hose into bucket bottom and ensure that the water pipe must not float out of the wall. Then check if the water pipe is bent. After making sure there are no bends, take out the waste bucket and unscrew the lid. Find all black pipes in this area and put them all in the trash. Then place the barrel flat into the machine. Check that the hole in the water tray is aligned with the waste funnel. When all preparations are done, close the front door. Be sure to push firmly when closing the door. Tighten the T-lock. Again to the right. It takes a few more turns to close the door tightly. Snap it on after tightening. Then plug the power cord of the machine into the socket. The machine will light up after power on the screen automatically enters the Marshmallow app. First, click on the advertisement on the screen, then long press the item number in the upper right corner. Enter the default password 123456. You can modify it in the background of the screen later. Click the power button in the upper right corner. Click Start immediately. After finishing, the machine starts working. Wait 5 minutes for the furnace head temperature to stabilize. You can start making sugar to test.